Open living spaces are trending in 2026 Dubai homes, but without the right carpets and rugs, these spaces can feel empty or unorganized. Don't skip this video. At the end, we'll reveal special deals on premium rugs that can instantly upgrade your open-plan living areas. 1. Define zones with rugs. In open living spaces, rugs are the easiest way to define different functional areas: living, dining, or reading corners. The right placement creates balance, adds warmth, and makes the entire space feel intentional. 2. Choose large rugs for open spaces. Larger rugs anchor furniture and unify the room. They make open-plan spaces look cohesive and prevent furniture from feeling floating. Measure carefully to cover the seating area without overcrowding the room. 3. Neutral and earthy tones. Neutral shades like cream, beige, and soft gray create a calm and airy feel, while earthy tones like muted browns or greens bring warmth and depth. These tones make open spaces inviting, stylish, and flexible for decor changes. 4. Patterns for personality. Geometric, abstract, or subtle textures add interest to expansive living areas. Patterns can also guide the eye and visually separate zones in open-plan layouts. 5. Mid-video engagement, special deals. Here's the exciting part. There are special deals on premium rugs for open living spaces. If you want to grab this offer, comment "deal" below and we'll send you the direct link to the site where this exclusive promotion is active. This is your chance to transform your open-plan living space with high-quality rugs at a special price. 6. Layer rugs for depth and style. Layering smaller rugs over a neutral base adds dimension, texture, and a curated designer look. It works especially well in larger Dubai apartments or villas where open spaces need extra warmth and interest. 7. Mix textures and materials. Mix plush, soft rugs with flat weave or low pile runners to create visual contrast. Texture tricks the eye, enhances comfort, and gives your open living space a sophisticated, designer-approved vibe. 8. Highlight key furniture areas. Use rugs to emphasize sofas, armchairs, and coffee tables. A well-placed rug under key furniture instantly elevates the interior and adds focus to the room's main elements. 9. Timeless choices over trendy ones. Neutral tones, subtle textures, and quality fabrics ensure your rugs remain stylish for years. Timeless designs make your open space adaptable to furniture or decor changes without replacing the rug. 10. Seasonal updates with rugs. Layering or switching out rugs seasonally allows you to refresh your space without a major renovation. Summer flat weaves or winter plush rugs can transform your space instantly. Open living spaces in Dubai can feel warm, stylish, and inviting with the right rugs. The correct size, texture, and placement make all the difference. Don't forget, comment "deal" below to get the link for the exclusive special deals and transform your open-plan space today. Even a single rug can define zones, elevate your interiors, and make your Dubai home feel luxurious and cohesive.